Batisi TV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Aerox 155, Ringkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jompi.
Ka Assam Petroleum Mazdoor Union ha ka arphulai tari unai wing arhaja arpuar kala rai ban sange shwa shipor banwan kit ya ka umphnyang petrol shakane ka jilla Meghalaya hadin balayo jingte bakidon ki jingjia sha thang kali ba sha ka wang mau jong ki kali bat kitrok ki badon ya ki number kali na ka jilla Assam ha ka shithi bala pha shaw senior depot manager ka HPCL depot Betkuchi Guwahati kani ka kenhun kala ongru ba ka jing sange banwan kit ya ka umphnyang petrol shakane ka jilla Meghalaya kanang yai beteng kat baka sarkar Meghalaya kampala ban pentikna ya ka jingsngan bat ban penbiang ya ki bor pahara hakara ka rong jong ki kali ki bawan na ka jilla Assam sha ka jilla Meghalaya ha ka bai dei bat kani ha ka arf south tri unai wing ar hajar arphuar la sakhi ya ka jinganglan jong ki kali ha petrol pump hanong ba Shillong hadin mekilayo jingtep halor kani ka jingpen bana jong ka Assam Petroleum Mazdoor Union.
Because tanker drivers are not doing, they are not willing to take the load because of certain situation in Meghalaya. Since when the incident happened, and that day only last day after come. Yeah, basically. Yesterday also they haven't come. Actually, we have got around 12,000-13,000 stock. That means 1 or 2 days to go.